No, I mean it. It's really broken.
All right. You go on down. I'll find another way in.
Try not to take too long. I'm up here. Down below, there's a great open balcony. Come on, I'll show you.
For you to say.
Here I am.
Stay there. I'll come down.
I know where I am. This gate leads to the baths. Do you think you could find your way there?
Of course, finding my way to the baths from here should be easy.
Good. I'll meet you there.
I'll just ask the first sand creature I run into. Could you direct me to the baths, please? Well, thank you. Don't mention I used to be a battle tennis back when I was alive. I'll meet you at the baths. She orders me around as if I were a servant. It's my own fault. With women, you need to show them you're in charge right from the start, or they'll walk all over you. I've been too indulgent. Probably because I felt sorry for her. Well, it stops now. From now on, she'll have to toe the line. That is, assuming I can find her. Done. I'll start the story from here next time.